Hey guys, this is Tripti and I have recently joined Roota Mittal's Marketing Accelerator Academy. I enrolled into it after attending the free workshop provided by her, in which she actually made me feel like I can choose social media marketing as a career option even though I don't know much about it. I bought the course, and unlike other courses available online, she is very much active on the exclusive Facebook group of the course where every doubt gets cleared either by her or the fellow members of the group. She encourages everybody to ask even the silliest of the questions so that our concepts will get cleared. And I also heard Roota Mittal's podcast, Be Your Own Boss, and I really like them as well because they too are very much encouraging. I am still trying to understand everything, and hopefully soon we'll start getting clients too. At the end, I just want to say Roota is doing an amazing job, and she's helping each and every one of us to achieve our dream lives.